Hello everyone, it's Tana. Welcome back to the channel and another video for Not2Shabby shop. The first video of the new year. It's a little late. I had to wait for my new release box to get here. So this one's going to be an unboxing and a quick card. And then I'll have a video for you next week. So this Scrapping for Less Love Die is a free gift when you purchase the Valentine box of the new release stuff that Jamie has for sale in the shop. There's a limited number of those Valentine boxes. You cannot use a coupon code with the Valentine's box, only with single items, just so everybody knows that. So we have the loopy, or not the loopy, the love die there. Sorry, I just did a voiceover with the loopy love die from MFT. So now I have two love dies, and they're both really cool. We have this cool ephemera. Like, I was amazed at the detail in this ephemera when I was opening it. And there's a lot in that pack. I didn't count it, but there's a lot there to use. And it coordinates with one of the stamp sets. And then there was a cool Cupcake sticker and some other stickers, a Not2Shabby sticker and a fox from one of the previous releases. And also a sequin pack with some really cool pastel colors that go well with the ephemera. And there's also the same ephemera pack. There's die-cut stickers that are the same as the ephemera pack. I didn't take them out of the package, but they're stickers. And then these, I really thought that these coffee cups, when they were in the package, I thought it was like a layered dimensional sticker. And it wasn't. It turns out they're stickers, but they're thinner stickers, and you get like 12 of them, I think. 4 of them are clear, so you can put your own saying on them or leave them blank, and then the rest of them have coffee-related sayings, and I thought they were really cute. So that's the first stamp set there. It's called Sprinkled with Love. I'm sorry I'm rushing through these, but I wanted to get to the card. So while I'm making the card, I will read you the sentiments that come with these stamp sets here. So the 3 stamp sets are Bouquet of Happiness, Happy Together, and Sprinkled with Love. And I think they're all beautiful stamp sets. Sorry I'm moving around here a lot. I'm sitting on the floor and my leg is falling asleep. I thought these are really cute names for the paper pads. There's Frosted and Tufted, although somebody is going to have to tell me what Tufted means because I don't know. But these papers, they remind me of the Whimsy Stamps papers that came in the Simon Says Stamp Kit that I had in my haul video. Very slick, shiny surface and very sturdy. They're not thin papers. I'm really happy with these. So the backs of these decorated ones here have either hearts or dots, or they're solid colors. And they're really pretty. There's pink, like light pink, dark pink, gray, like a solid light gray, solid brown, and then there's that like diamond pattern, on the backs of some of them. And you get a lot. I think there's 2 designs each for that pack, and then there's this pack, My Sweet Valentine. And My Sweet Valentine has 24 double-sided sheets, 4 of each design. The first one, Frosted and Tufted, has 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design. And I think actually my Sweet Valentine paper pad had extra paper in it. I'm going to have to count to be sure, but I'm pretty sure I had extra paper at the end of my pack. We'll have to see if I'm right about that. It was either one of them. One of them I was looking through, I'm like, hey, isn't there extra paper here? We'll see. I'll count it. I'll let you guys know in the next video next week. So these are really cool as well. I think there's a lot of diversity in these papers. And save that front paper, because you can do a lot with those stripes of, you know, how it shows all the papers on one piece of paper in the front for the title page, as I like to call it. I've done that before. Used that front page as a design on my card front. So as you can see, I'm making a slimline card, but the paper pad is 6 by 6. So I took the paper and I cut it 3 3/4, and then I cut the extra piece again And we're going to glue them together that way. And let me tell you, you can't tell. I don't know if it's the design on the paper I chose, but you cannot tell that it's two separate pieces. So I'm going to take that love die from Scrapping for Less, and I cut it out of pink and red glitter cardstock, and then 2 layers of black 100-pound cardstock for each one that I used. I did have to cut the heart off the end of the word love because it was just too long to fit across the slimline card like I wanted it to. I mean, that's a fairly good sized die. I showed you guys on a piece of cardstock during the unboxing. It will almost cover a A2 size card when it's flipped to the 5.5 inches widthwise side. Is that portrait or landscape? I think that's landscape. So here I am gluing the 2 pieces of paper together. And I thought I might have to, like, because when I'm looking at it, not through the camera, I can see the line if I hold it really close to my face. So my first intention was to take the hearts that I cut off the end of the word love and use them as a distraction on the card front. But then I decided it's not a distraction because I really don't need one. And I decided to do like a heart banner on gold metallic thread. So I placed them all where I wanted them to go and kind of flipped them all over and connected the thread with purple tape so that I could then glue them to the card front without anything falling off. So I'm going to use my Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. There was a little much on that first one. I forgot it was a new bottle of glue. And we're going to glue these all in place. Now I got all fancy with the first part of the banner, trying to hook it through the, behind the L on the first word, or first love. And I didn't need to do that. It was such a pain in the butt, and it doesn't really look the way I wanted it to look. So for the rest of the banner threads, I just snipped them right at the end of the cardstock, so it looks like it's going back and forth across the card. And it was really easy to, I just cut out black cardstock so they would be the same height as the word love, and then glued the glitter cardstock hearts on top of those. And they all stayed together just fine. It was fun to mix and match the red with the pink. I thought about adding some like sequins or gems to this card, but there was so much sparkle with the glitter cardstock that I decided to just leave the card alone. I did add to the inside though. So for a quick card, this came together really quick. I wanted to be able to do at least something because it took so long for my kit to come. And I thought this is I love this kit. I think it'll be a hit for Valentine's Day, and I'll have lots of inspiration for you for this month and next month. I stamped 2 of the sentiments from one of the stamp sets. Happy Valentine's Day and love you bunches. And on the inside of the card with Lawnfawn Wild Rose ink. And then look at this. It's been forever since I used my tape runner. And this one was a brand new package, and it was all twisted on itself. I had to take the second one out of the package. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that first tape runner or not. So I took some of my extra hearts and glued them on the bottom right corner going up the side and along the bottom of the inside panel. And that's it for this card. I hope you guys like the unboxing. Don't forget to check out Jamie's shop. Don't forget to check out the new release and the Valentine's box to see if there's any left. And we will see you next week with some more inspiration. Bye-bye for now, guys.